If your team is like most, you can't wait months for meeting rooms. You need predictable delivery and fast. Hi, I'm Zach Falliger, Vice President of Integration and Delivery at FORTÉ. We created Velocity Preferred and Exclusive as our factory-to-field approach that eliminates complexity and gets operational meeting rooms live in days, not months. Now here's how it works between the two types. With Velocity Preferred, you get standardized, ready-to-deploy room solutions that ensure consistency and efficiency across all your offices. It's plug-and-play simplicity at an enterprise scale, complete with transparent pricing and no design work. Just choose and deploy the solution best suited for your needs. For more flexibility, choose Velocity Exclusive. This option balances speed and customization. Bring us your design standard and we'll turn it into a repeatable solution with accelerated delivery and reduced complexity. Your spec, certified by FORTÉ. With Velocity, your teams get professional, reliable meeting rooms delivered quickly, installed professionally, and supported by FORTÉ's nationwide service network. From one meeting room to every collaboration space across your organization, Velocity delivers professional solutions that are ready now, wherever you need them. Faster delivery, consistent quality, and smarter collaboration. Want to learn more? Visit rforte.com/services/velocity today.